Learn English to Gujarati. Challenge, risk and
अवरोध,
vocabulary. Welcome to the mess. Hey, you're about to learn some powerful Gujarati words, and yes, we are doing it with drama, chaos, and a suspiciously overconfident goat. Let's make these words stick. Imagine this. You open your front door, ready for a calm day, and immediately meet a mountain called
પડકાર,
that means challenge. Before you can climb it, a giant box blocks the hallway. That box is
અવરોધ,
an obstacle. Then, because life enjoys comedy, the floor turns into a racetrack with one fence after another. Those are also
અવરોધ,
meaning hurdle in this learning set. You keep going, but now there is a flashing red sign saying,
જોખમ,
that is risk. Your brave face disappears a little, and you feel
અસુરક્ષા,
insecurity. Then someone explains the rules, but the rules are foggy, unclear, and annoyingly slippery. Welcome to the
અસ્પષ્ટ વિસ્તાર,
gray area. Just when you think you understand everything, one weird case pops out and waves at you. That is the
અપવાદ,
exception. And finally, when the whole plan falls apart, your goat mechanic proudly offers a temporary fix made of tape, string, and confidence. That is
તાત્કાલિક ઉકેલ,
an emergency solution. Congratulations! You have entered the world of useful chaos. Your word crew. Now let's meet the words one by one, like a very strange but lovable team. Repeat them aloud after me if you can. Challenge is
પડકાર,
example. This challenge helped me grow. In Gujarati, a
પડકાર,
main Vikasha Karavamam Madada Kari. Obstacle is
અવરોધ,
example. Fear can become an obstacle to progress. Think of a wall in your way.
અવરોધ,
Hurdle in this set is also
અવરોધ,
example. The runner jumped over the hurdle. So one word can work in more than one context. Handy, right? Risk is
જોખમ,
example. Taking a risk can lead to success. The word feels like a warning light. Insecurity is
અસુરક્ષા,
example. Insecurity can make people doubt themselves. This one is emotional, quiet, and very human. Gray area is
અસ્પષ્ટ વિસ્તાર,
example. This rule falls into a gray area. Not yes, not no, just a foggy maybe. Exception is
અપવાદ,
example. This rule has one exception. One odd duck in a very organized pond. Emergency solution is
તાત્કાલિક ઉકેલ,
example. This emergency solution is not perfect, but it will help for now. Basically, a hero wearing duct tape. A very dramatic mini-story. You learn faster with a story, so here comes one. It contains all your target words, and at least one terrible life decision. Meena entered the office and smiled at the giant project on her desk. Ah yes, she said, a lovely little.
પડકાર,
Quote. She was lying. It was enormous. On the way to the meeting room, she found an
અવરોધ,
The printer had eaten 50 pages and was making sounds like an angry camel. Then came another.
અવરોધ,
A real hurdle. The boss wanted the report in 10 minutes. Should we send the unfinished version? Asked her coworker. Meena said, that is a.
જોખમ,
Quote. Her coworker looked nervous. I feel total.
અસુરક્ષા,
I do not even trust my own font choices. They checked the policy manual, but the rules sat in an.
અસ્પષ્ટ વિસ્તાર,
Nobody knew whether half-finished genius counted as genius. Then Meena found one note at the bottom. Late reports are forbidden, except in server failure. Aha, she cried, an.
અપવાદ,
Quote. Sadly, the server was fine. Only the humans were broken. So they created a
તાત્કાલિક ઉકેલ.
They turned the broken charts into a spoken presentation, smiled bravely, and promised the final file by noon. The boss nodded. The printer burped. Everyone survived. Quick meaning drill. Let's lock the meanings in your memory. I say the English word, and you mentally call out the Gujarati. Challenge.
પડકાર.
Obstacle.
અવરોધ.
Hurdle.
અવરોધ.
Risk.
જોખમ.
Insecurity.
અસુરક્ષા.
Gray area.
અસ્પષ્ટ વિસ્તાર.
Exception.
અપવાદ.
Emergency solution.
તાત્કાલિક ઉકેલ.
Use them in real life. Now let's make these words useful, not just decorative vocabulary furniture. Here are natural ways you might hear or say them. This challenge helped me grow. The key word is
પડકાર.
there is an obstacle ahead. In Gujarati, the key word is
અવરોધ.
she overcame every hurdle with patience. Again,
અવરોધ.
this plan involves a lot of risk. That is,
જોખમ.
he spoke openly about his insecurity. That feeling is
અસુરક્ષા.
the case is legally a gray area. That phrase is
અસ્પષ્ટ વિસ્તાર.
every rule has one exception. That special case is
અપવાદ.
we need an emergency solution before the system fails. That is
તાત્કાલિક ઉકેલ.
tiny dialogue theater. Time for short dialogues. They are quick, memorable, and only slightly more dramatic than normal life. A. Is this easy? B. No, it is A.
પડકાર.
A. Why did you stop? B. There is an
અવરોધ.
ahead. A. Why cannot the runner continue? B. One more
અવરોધ.
is on the track. A. Should we do it? B. It is A.
જોખમ.
But maybe worth it. A. Why are you so quiet? B. I feel
અસુરક્ષા.
today. A. Is it allowed? B. I am not sure. It is A.
અસ્પષ્ટ વિસ્તાર.
A. Does this rule always work? B. Almost. There is one.
અપવાદ.
A. We cannot repair it fully today. B. Then we need a
તાત્કાલિક ઉકેલ.
right now. Funny memory hooks. If your brain likes weird images, good news, we are about to be weird on purpose. These hooks help vocabulary stay put. 4.
પડકાર.
Imagine pushing a car uphill. It feels like a challenge, and your face says many emotional things. 4.
અવરોધ.
Imagine a road blocked by a sofa. Why is the sofa outside? No one knows, but it is definitely an obstacle. 4.
જોખમ.
Picture a chicken investing in cryptocurrency and whispering, I accept the risk. 4.
અસુરક્ષા.
Imagine a superhero adjusting the cape and asking, do I look brave enough? That is insecurity in action. 4.
અસ્પષ્ટ વિસ્તાર.
Picture a lawyer walking into fog and saying, technically, maybe? 4.
અપવાદ.
Imagine a tray of identical cookies with one cookie shaped like a dinosaur. That cookie is the exception and honestly, the best one. 4.
તાત્કાલિક ઉકેલ.
Imagine fixing a spaceship with chewing gum. Terrible engineering, excellent memory trick. Mini quiz challenge. Let's see what you remember. No stress, just a friendly test. If you get one wrong, that is not failure. It is character development. What is the Gujarati word for challenge?
પડકાર.
What is the Gujarati word for obstacle?
અવરોધ.
What is the Gujarati word for hurdle in this set?
અવરોધ.
What is the Gujarati word for risk?
जोखम,
What is the Gujarati word for insecurity?
असुरक्षा,
What is the Gujarati phrase for gray area?
अस्पष्ट विस्तार,
What is the Gujarati word for exception?
अपवाद,
What is the Gujarati phrase for emergency solution?
तात्कालिक उकेल,
Wrap up and keep going. You did great today. Seriously, you just handled a full set of nuanced words in English and Gujarati. Today you learned challenge as
પડકાર,
obstacle and hurdle as
अवरोध,
risk as
जोखम,
insecurity as
असुरक्षा,
gray area as
अस्पष्ट विस्तार,
exception as
अपवाद,
and emergency solution as.
तात्कालिक उकेल.
Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing, repeat the words out loud, and come back to this chapter whenever you want to make them stronger in memory. You are doing well, so keep going.